Hello, hi, it's Dr. Erica. Thank you for joining me again. On this particular video, I'm going to talk about reasons to get to know your pharmacist. Your local pharmacist is readily available and has access to information and access to your information that can be rendered to healthcare providers such as nurses and physicians' offices as well. So let's jump into this video. Please like, share, and subscribe and comment as well. Okay, so pharmacists are readily available. They have easy access. That's the first reason why you should get to know your pharmacist. They're easily accessible and they have open access where you can just walk in at any time. It's only maybe for a few minutes if they're actually interacting with another patron or customer, then they can interact with you in less than 5 to 10 minutes, probably 20 minutes at the most. Where versus in the doctor's office, you may have to sit, you may have to wait, you have to get through different steps to actually see the physician before actually asking questions and be able to interact with the physician. So do be aware of the easy and open access that pharmacists do provide. Okay. And then they have consultation areas that you can actually sit and talk and go into further discussion about any topic that you might want to relate to them as well, and they can relate that to you. Okay. So do understand that perk of pharmacists and pharmacies. Okay, so the second reason why you should get to know your pharmacist is because it will help to build trust. The more you trust your pharmacist, get to know your pharmacist, and they get to know you, your medication history, your family history, they can better understand you and understand your habits, your psychotherapy type information that you might want to relate to them. That trust will help bring a bond and ultimately increase adherence, increase loyalty to the pharmacy, prevent polypharmacy or using of other pharmacies to fill prescriptions. Also, that trust will also help to build a repertoire for the community as well because it prevents patients from having to venture out to other pharmacies. So, building trust helps to build loyalty and also helps to increase adherence and compliance. And also, it helps to solidify the community through trust and communication. Okay, so next, fast clinical services are available at your pharmacy. Pharmacies recently have implemented clinical services to the farm for the pharmacy community and customers and patrons. That means cholesterol checks, blood pressure checks, glucose checks as well. Um, Also, foot examination to help with uh, choosing uh, imp- those type of foot comforting and Dr. Scholl's, for example, type um, inserts. Also, they have clinical services for immunizations, and they have also clinical services for cholesterol checks, body mass index uh, evaluation, and waist circumference as well. They can do all of those things. Just make sure that the pharmacy that you choose has those services available. And usually, that when they do, all it takes is an appointment. You meet your appointment, and they can see you within 20 minutes, 30 minutes at the most. So, again, fast clinical services are available at the pharmacy. So talk with your pharmacist about that. Okay. Now, also a benefit of getting to know your pharmacist is that they can recommend OTC products right there for you, and they can come out the pharmacy to help you choose the right product, help you choose the right medication that is that you may be looking for. And they may also supplement your prescription as well. They can give suggestions. They can also make referrals back to the physician or the nurse's office to let them know and communicate with them that they have either detected an issue or detected some sort of relevant clinical review issue, and they can also make suggestions to the physician to add medications or subtract medications from your medication regimen. Okay, now that is what I wanted to mention. The 4 or 5, maybe 5 most important reasons to get to know your pharmacist. That includes easy access, collaboration between physicians and nurses, trust, building loyalty, fast clinical services such as BMI checks, cholesterol checks as well. And also, they have a list of your immunizations. And also, last but not least, a one stop shop where they can also go in further by offering over the counter medications to supplement your diet and also supplement your prescription therapy. So, those are the 5 reasons to get to know your pharmacist. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. I'm Dr. Erica. Have a good evening. Bye bye.